What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of El Jardín Perdido. Today we're planting cactus from store-bought Nopales. Alright, so I should probably be wearing gloves when handling this, as it does still have some prickers, but if you guys live in the south, actually I guess some prickly pear cacti live a little further north. I know my sister's in New Jersey and she has some that survive straight through the winter. But in the south, it's a little more prominent to be able to find them in supermarkets. Specifically this, I think, was at Fiesta, but there's lots of different markets and ethnic markets you can go to where they'll sell whole patties like this. You won't want to get them chopped up or skinned or anything. These are just nice and whole. Cool thing about this is we're literally gonna just dig a hole, put this in the ground, and it'll thrive. All right, so this has always been a nice spot where I like to keep my prickly pears. Unfortunately, not a lot of mine made it, and the little bit that I salvaged weren't much to look at. So it'll take them a while to get established. So I'm gonna plant one more in this vicinity with the store-bought, and we'll see how they fare. It's always good to have a good variety, because some might fare better than others, some might flower and fruit better than others. This is spineless and it's not doing great. The commodity of being spineless appealed to me, but I guess it doesn't fare well here. Whereas these other ones that I've had for years and years, I don't even recall where I got them from, they've been doing awesome. All right, so the beauty of this is we're literally just going to dig in, plant it in about to there. If you wanted to get really picky with cacti, you could stake them and pretty much have them just in the dirt, but they should fare fine even a few inches up so you can stabilize them. So yeah, we're gonna keep this pretty simple and just going to plant it in a little bit, loosen things up around it, compact the, not compact, but push down firmly to make sure things are stabilized. And I don't have anything on hand like a stake per se, but I'll probably stick 2 sticks on either side just to make sure that it stays upright like I'd like it to. So there you have it. That's literally it. All right, so here we are 3 weeks later. You can see there is initially a little bit of rot on the top. No buds yet or no leafing, but you can see it looks nice and healthy. All right guys, well that was as short as it is simple. Hopefully you guys can do this yourselves if you have access to Nopales as such. If you don't, you can actually order cuttings like this on eBay or Etsy, so it's worth giving a shot. A little further down the road, it's April 2022 right now. If you guys want to hit me up in the comments, you know, as time goes by, and maybe I can help you out with that. All right guys, well that's gonna do it for today's video. Be sure to comment if you have any questions or you'd like to add anything, and be sure to like this if you enjoyed it. It does help the algorithm. All right guys, well as always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.